And the online guidance for removing the odometer on the 944 and replacing the broken gear is generally great. When I took mine off though, I got to the part where you pull this off and it left behind this circuit board, which wasn't what I was expecting. In actual fact, all you have to do is stick your finger under the circuit board and pull it off the 4 contacts that are in there. It just stayed on those pins. Let's just put the board back on there over those 3 mounting points. That'll allow me to work on the rest of it. The label that came off the speedometer appears to indicate, in my case it was November 1985. My car is January 86, so that would appear to tally. That's the gear in question, and as you can see it's already broken, and it's really easy to just snap these off. Look, they just fall off. Having removed the circlips from here and here, this just broke up in my hand. But the other thing was, it was like really stuck, or is stuck. It has gummed itself to the spindle, so that needs cleaning before I put the new one on. The gear was stiff on the spindle, so I had to use a small needle file, round needle file, just to clean it out and to get a loose fit. I discovered was with the gear, when it was part assembled, when I spun this one, it seemed to catch on that part of the gear here. It's not that smooth, and because these two are running very close together, it seems to be catching just here. So I'm going to file that down a little bit, just on the outside edge, again using the needle file. Was when I came to put the circlip on, it jammed the cog. So that meant taking everything apart again and filing down the surface of that cog. I wasn't too bothered about having the odometer working. It's operated by that mechanism there, and that zeroes the odometer. I just wanted the mileometer to work, and as I didn't want it to break the gear again, I decided to remove this bar. It's just a simple clip off, and on that basis I'll put it all back together. The odometer can do its own thing, but at least I'll have the mileometer working.